Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about the law of independent assortment. So, knowledge of the hybrid cross is required to understand the law of independent assortment. In the dihybrid cross, the phenotypes round yellow, round green, wrinkled green appeared in the ratio of 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Round yellow 9, wrinkled yellow 3, round green 3, wrinkled green 1. So the phenotypic ratio in F2 generation of dihybrid cross is 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Such a ratio was observed for several pairs of characters that Mendel studied. Already know the contrasting triads selected by Mendel. How many contrasting triads selected by Mendel for his experiment? How many contrasting triads? 7 contrasting triads. Okay. Mendel proposed law of independent assortment based on observations on dihybrid crosses. The law of independent assortment states that when two pairs of triads are combined in a hybrid, segregation of one pair of characters is independent of the other pair of characters. So capital Y small y is the genotype of F1 progeny in dihybrid cross. Segregation of one pair of genes, capital R and small r. 50% of the gametes have the gene capital R and the other 50% have small r. Now, besides each gamete having either capital R or small r. It should also have the allele capital Y or small y. The important thing to remember here that is segregation of 50% of capital R and 50% of small r independent from the segregation of 50% of capital Y and 50% small y. Therefore, 50% of the R bearing gametes has capital Y and the other 50% has small y. Similarly, 50% of the capital R bearing gametes has capital Y and the other 50% has small y. Thus, there are four genotypes of gametes. Four genotypes of gametes are found. Four types of pollen and four types of eggs or female gametes. So the four types of gametes, the capital one kind of the gametes are capital R, capital Y. The another second kind of the gametes are capital R, small y. Third kind of gametes are small r, capital Y. Fourth type of gametes are small r, small y. Each with a frequency of 25% or 1/4 of the total gametes produced. Among these four gametes, how many gametes are containing capital R, capital Y gene? Among these four, 1. Among these four, how many gametes are containing capital R, small y gene? 1. 1 by 4. 1 by here 1 by 4. How many gametes among these four? How many gametes are containing small r capital Y genes? 1 gamete. Okay, small r small y genes containing gametes 1. So 1 by 4. Each with a frequency of 25% or 1/4 of the total gametes produced. So this genotypic representation of the F1 progeny in dihybrid cross, that's capital R, capital Y, small y. Round yellow color, round shape and yellow color seeds is a phenotypic character. Genotype of this capital R, capital Y, small y. It produces four kinds of the gametes. Look at here: capital R, capital R, capital Y, one type of gametes. Capital R, small y, second type of the gametes. Small r, capital Y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Okay, based on this concept, based on the law of independent assortment, the subjective point of view, the question is state the law of independent assortment. Write a schematic representation of dihybrid cross. Whereas in a NEET related few questions we will discuss here. Who proposed law of independent assortment? What are the options given? The options are one is option A Mendel, option B Morgan, option C Linnaeus, option D Panchanan Maheswari. So among these options, which one is the correct? Who proposed law of independent assortment? Mendel proposed the law of independent assortment. When two pairs of triads are combined in a hybrid, segregation of one pair of characters is independent of the other pair of characters. That question, what is the question? Find out the correct statement. What are the options given? Option A, when two pairs of triads are combined in a hybrid, segregation of one pair of characters is independent of the other pair of characters. What about the second option? Option B, when two pairs of triads are combined in a hybrid, segregation of one pair of characters is dependent of the other pair of character. Okay, what are the differences you are observed in option A and B? Here the given on independent. The segregation of one pair of characters is independent of the other pair of characters, whereas in B option, segregation of one pair of characters is dependent of the other pair of characters. Okay, option C, both A and B. And option D, Mendel selected 7 true breeding pea plant varieties. So here option A is the correct answer. Okay, correct statement. Why B is incorrect? The segregation of, as per the law of independent assortment, segregation of one pair of characters is independent of the other pair of characters. But given option, in the given options, dependent one pair of segregation of one pair of characters is independent of the other pair of characters given. So B is wrong, incorrect. Why the D option is incorrect, wrong? Mendel selected what is the option? Mendel selected 7 true breeding pea plant varieties. Mendel selected how many true breeding pea plant varieties? Not 7, 14. Hence it is incorrect. Okay.